This is how to add video in Gamma AI. From your dashboard, select a Gamma presentation and select a card you want to add a video on. And on the right hand menu, select videos and media, then select a video source. And by the way, you can't upload a video directly. Instead, you may want to embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, TikTok, or Spotify, or Wistia. So let's select YouTube videos. Then we will paste a URL or embed code. So let's try this video. Let's copy the video URL and paste it here. Then you can edit the title, description. Then let's close this one. And you can test the video if it is playable by going to presentation and just click start. So this is how to add video in Gamma AI.